Oh hey, I didn't see you there. In this video I'll be installing and reviewing this Bunker Hill security light I picked up from Harbor Freight. For more DIY and tinkering videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Untitled Mechanic. I picked up this solar security light from Harbor Freight for 32 bucks. It's made by Bunker Hill and its part number is 64734. To briefly go over the specs, it has 1,160 lumens of light, which is given off by 100 SMD lights. SMD essentially just stands for surface mount device, and so these lights are basically just soldered on to the board of the light. So basically you won't have to worry about changing them out. The motion detector has a range of 50 feet. If you're interested in installing a hardwired floodlight or security light, make sure you click on the link in the description of this video and watch my video on how to do that. For this particular case, I wanted it just to have a quick install, so I just went with the solar panel option, even though I do prefer hardwiring the lights. The box itself includes just a few items. It includes the mounting bracket, a solar panel, the light fixture, and some mounting hardware, which is essentially just a few anchors and the accompanying screws. The light has a switch which has 3 different positions. On, which just allows the light to stay on and illuminated just as a regular light. Auto, which turns the light on when motion is detected, and off. The instructions call for the switch to remain in the off position for 3 full days as the solar panel is absorbing direct sunlight, because this will allow the internal battery to fully charge. It also has 3 knobs that allow you to control the sensitivity, the duration, and the light level at which the light will be activated. For example, if you want the light to only turn on when it's triggered during the nighttime. You just need a few things to install this light. I'm going to go ahead and not use these flimsy anchors that come with it. Instead, I'll be using 1.25" general purpose screws, because I'm going to be screwing this into solid wood. This will make the install a lot quicker. And you'll need a drill or an impact driver and some low voltage staples to tidy up the wiring. The solar panel should be mounted in a position where it's in direct sunlight for the most of the day, so it should face the western hemisphere. After you figure out where to put it, go ahead and screw it into place using the screws. And this is what it looks like after it's been securely mounted, facing the sun and ready to charge up that battery. Next, screw in the mounting bracket for the light fixture. Next, mount the light fixture onto the mounting bracket. After that, go ahead and plug the solar panel into the light fixture and secure the wire to the house by using the low voltage staples. So this is what the finished product looks like. The solar panel has 16 feet of wire, so if you mount your panel close to the light fixture like I did, you're going to have a lot of wire left over. You can cut out the excess and use solder and a heat shrink to shorten the wire, but that's going to be a little bit time consuming. Or you can do what I did, which is essentially I used a zip tie to bundle up the wire and staple it off in a corner. This also allows you to have access to that wire just in case if you need to move the panel into another location later on. Alright, so it's nighttime. I've got the light set up just around the corner of this wall here, and I've put a little wooden block where I've measured off 50 feet, so it should turn on as soon as I approach the block. The block is actually on the ground over here, so let's see when it turns on. Oh, it turned on, and the actual block is over here actually, so the sensor is actually really good, and it works beyond 50 feet because I used old man Pythagorean theorem and figured it out. It's fairly bright as well, as it's lit up this whole passageway here at the side of the house. Overall, I gave this product a 10 out of 10 because if you're looking for a floodlight that'll light up the entire side of the house and it is easy to install, plus it's only about 32 bucks, then this is definitely the product for you. So I would definitely say that this is a pretty good buy.